Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you a couple of exercises to fix wrist pain, clicking or popping sensation. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions or any suggestions, don't forget to leave me a comment. Let's get started. Let's start with a soft tissue release technique. I'm using a tennis ball to massage the forearm muscles. You can do it on a desk or any flat surface. I start with the hand facing down, doing rotational movements on the fingers and palm, and then I move to the forearm. On the forearm, I am doing forward and backward movements, focusing on the wrist flexor muscles. After that, I turn the hand facing up and I am releasing the wrist extensor muscles, doing the same movements. You can alternate and release both sides of the forearm. I am not pressing very hard, I just need to feel the release on the muscles. I recommend to do this technique for at least 2 minutes. Next, I am doing a wrist stretch for the flexor muscles. I am pulling the hand up until I feel a stretch and I hold it for 15 to 20 seconds. If you feel a burning sensation or severe pain, you have to reduce the pull. Do it gently, so stretching a muscle should feel nice. Do the same stretch for the wrist extensors muscles. Hold for 15 to 20 seconds by pressing the hand down. The next exercise is a stretch for wrist flexors muscles. So this is an alternative to the previous stretch. Try both and see which one works for you. Hold for 15 to 20 seconds. Next exercise is focusing on activating the wrist muscles. I'm using a stick and I start rotating it forward with each hand one by one. After I've done it forward, I'm doing the same movement backward with each hand. I recommend at least 10 times each movement. For the next exercise, I am doing a wrist pronation with a stick. Start with your hand in neutral position and let the stick go down as you turn your hand facing down. Repeat the same movement in the opposite way by facing the palm up. If you find it hard to grab the stick at the end, you can hold it in the middle and do the same movement, palm facing up and down. Next is a strengthening exercise doing radial deviation movement. Grab at the end of the stick and lower the stick toward the floor. I stabilize my arm at the elbow so movement comes only from the wrist. I move the stick upward toward the ceiling you will feel the muscles on the forearm activating. Do the movement slowly and repeat at least 10 repetitions. Next exercise is an ulnar deviation. I'm having the stick facing backward and I'm going to do the same motion by lifting the stick toward the ceiling. Repeat 10 times. The last exercise is a joint mobilization. Place the hand on a desk or a table, pointing straight. With the other hand, stabilize at the base of the hand, but don't block the wrist movement. Start leaning forward with the body weight while stabilizing the hand. Repeat at least 5 times gently. You may feel a stretch or a pull on the forearm muscles. On the next repetitions, I turn the hand out and I do the same movement. Repeat at least 5 times. This will help to release the stiffness in the joint. Bonus: I'm using a massage gun to release the muscles. If you don't have one at home, don't worry. This technique is similar with the first exercise where I use the tennis ball. I spend a couple of minutes using the gun to release the wrist flexors and extensors muscles. If the exercises help, please give me a like, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions or any suggestions, don't forget to leave me a comment below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.